Greetings, I'm Allison Shaw, and I'm eager to discuss the techniques available that are essential in fostering a peaceful state of mindfulness. Mindfulness is something we can tap into at any given moment, whether it's through structured meditation sessions or simple practices like pausing to breathe before answering a phone call. While both concepts are interconnected, they each have their distinct attributes. Meditation serves as a dedicated practice through which one can cultivate various mind-opening qualities, including mindfulness. Stick around until the end of this short video, and I'll give you a link to the actual creator and developer of some wonderful methods and tools that will foster a mindset that is both clear and creative. Giovanni's techniques are extremely popular, making him one of the top 5 teachers of mindfulness and meditation worldwide. Join me in watching this brief video to explore firsthand how you can embrace a stress-free existence and revel in a life filled with happiness, optimism, and freedom from anxiety. Let's dive into the good stuff.
I'm Allison Shaw, and I'm eager to discuss the significance of meditation and its role in fostering mindfulness. Mindfulness is something we can tap into at any given moment, whether it's through structured meditation sessions or simple practices like pausing to breathe before answering a phone call. While both concepts are interconnected, they each have their distinct attributes. Meditation serves as a dedicated practice through which one can cultivate various qualities, including mindfulness. In our modern era, stress and anxiety have become unwelcome companions, leaving many feeling overwhelmed and disconnected. Amidst this chaos, meditation emerges as a potent antidote, with roots tracing back centuries to ancient Eastern traditions like Hinduism and Buddhism. Meditation's core purpose remains to quiet the mind and awaken awareness. Through regular practice, individuals experience profound transformation, shifting from chaos to calm, reducing stress and fostering inner peace. Research confirms meditation's efficacy in alleviating stress and anxiety, promoting relaxation through deep breathing techniques. As meditation deepens, individuals cultivate resilience and find serenity amidst life's challenges. Moreover, it aligns them with their aspirations, allowing dreams to manifest effortlessly. Ultimately, meditation offers a pathway to reclaiming inner peace, hope, and happiness. By tuning into the present moment, practitioners discover fulfillment within themselves, transcending external goals. This timeless practice, embraced by seekers throughout history, leads us on a magical journey homeward to ourselves.
Hi there, Allison again. I hope you got some insight into both meditation and mindfulness. They fit hand in hand with each other. In these stress-filled days, keeping a clear mind full of optimism, happiness, and hope are paramount to enjoying life's wonders. Stress and anxiety no longer need to be part of your experience. Meditation can lead you to new heights of expectations and will literally transform your life. We have tools available that will give you a head start on the next step of your journey. Why not let my good friend Giovanni enlighten you and tell you what's available? Click on the link in the description box below and listen to his in-depth advice that will help you achieve a meaningful, peaceful, and rewarding life experience. As the creator and developer of these aids and methods, you can be sure his message will be detailed and mind-opening. While you're there, give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for your time.